if you guys are going to be able to see it too well on camera. Let me actually go back to autofocus. There we go. So yeah, see, we grind it down to the size we need, and we're gonna cut it that way. But first, I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm gonna go grab my Sony for this. So yeah, here's my buddy's E36. Dude, this thing is sick. I wish it was actually daylight out, because then I'd be able to show you guys it a lot better than, you know, in the dark. But let me show you everything that's so far custom that I know of. These side skirts are steel, and they look badass. They look like the ones that most people would probably spend a lot of money for. And then custom intake, custom, gotta back up more, custom radiator. So that was out of a... It's out of a 94 Turbo Legacy. Yeah. And then the bash bar and... the hidden ass bash bar. Yeah. And then... fucking custom strut bar. Yeah, and the core support. Yeah. And yeah, everything, a lot of this stuff is custom. This is custom rear, the window, yeah, vent, wing, whatever they're called, the window spoiler. And dude, I love these spoilers. This one on the back. High-rise? Yeah, the high rise. Like, I really want like the actual M3 style. I know, the three-piece. Yeah, dude, that thing is badass. But anyways, I just want to do a quick walk around on this thing, because I saw this thing pull up and I was like, whoa, shit, this thing's actually really badass looking. So, and then he told me a lot of shit is custom, which is way cooler. So, maybe you guys see it another time in the daylight. That would be a lot better. So, we're gonna get back, go work on this piece of shit. And yeah. Alright, I know it's the next day. We tried the whole drilling thing. It was just chewing up the bit, so it was just not working out. So today Reed helped me out and got me a fix. Okay, so here it is. Let me get him out of the there we go. So here's the sleeve. This is the size that I need. It's the same diameter as the old one. So they're both the same. Kind of hard to tighten them together with one hand. But anyways, this fits in there. But here's the problem. It fits a little too loose. So how are we gonna fix that issue? Well, I found these little sleeves that fit around the bolt perfectly. And they fit in the bigger sleeve perfectly. No movement. Obviously, it's not the right way to fix this, but it's a fix right now, regardless. Just to get it back on the road, driving. Yeah, I'm not too worried about how long it holds up, if it even holds up long enough, like, or what. I just need this car to hold out until I'm able to save up some money to get a daily. So the good news is, hopefully in this video, the car will get fixed. So I'm gonna get under it right now, put my diff up, and go from there. So as you can see right there, we have it in. I gotta finish bolting the rest of this up, tightening down the CV axle, tighten down the drivetrain. The order I'm going to do this is I'm going to bolt up the diff first, then tighten down the drivetrain, and then tighten down the CV axles. And then, oh no, that's right, I gotta reach for it. My speed sensor, no, no, come back home, please. Shoot, in case nobody knew what this was for, because I didn't, I had to Google it, but it plugs in, oh, you ain't gonna see it on camera, but it plugs in right to the back. You'll see the thing I'm talking about. This is your, I think it's your speed sensor, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's what tracks your speed. So, plug that bad boy back in. Alright, so I don't forget about that later, because I will, I'm dumb. So, we'll go ahead, I'll get this all bolted up, and then we'll take her out for a little test drive. Alright, diff is in. It's all back together. She's down, she's on the ground. We're gonna start her up real quick, let her warm up. She hasn't been running for a while, battery's been disconnected. Oh, so excited about this, Jesus. Man, the car is dirty as shit. You ain't gonna see it on camera, but whew. Woo! Woo! Some music to my ears, so I probably shouldn't do it, but we might
we gotta test it. Hey, the best way to test something is to make sure is to do stupid shit. And that's how you see if something breaks and you know you gotta fix it again. It is what it is. So, but anyways, we'll let this warm up real quick, build some oil pressure. So last night I showed you guys the Buddy's E36 here. But yeah, here is it in the better in the daylight. You can actually see this thing's so, dude, those wheels with these fender flares are just so fucking aggressive. Yeah, there it is. Here, we can get inside, take a look at the inside here.
Shit, bro.
It is dirty, but dude, my car's way more filthy right now. Like I haven't touched it, you know.
The bad side too. You gotta get the good side. This is the side that's good.
Oh yeah, that's right. Cause
my quarter panel's all
you told me some stories about this car last night. But yeah, as I said, most of everything on here is custom, so it's pretty sick. Pretty. Yeah, he did all the work himself. And he's telling me, he's like, yeah, I work at this shop and I just do a bunch of this welding and custom stuff. And I figured might as well use it on my car too. So.
Weld you up some dashboard, bro.
That'd be sick.
Side skirts, everything.
That'd be sick, dude.
I love that side skirt.
Dude, it's like, it really is dragging on the grass there. It's so sick, man. That's so fucking cool. That's badass. Alright, we're gonna go figure out my car situation now. The diff won't didn't break this time, so I think we're good. Because that was some pretty serious load, and that was first gear, and that was dumping that clutch at like 6 grand. And if it's not snapping right there, it's going to be a hard one to break this time. So hopefully this fixes it for a good while. I kind of got some news. Is I think I'm going to take a break on like actual track drifting for a while. Here and there, I'll probably skid around on the streets, you know, Mexico, and just for fun, but I don't know. I really need to get a second car, so this is like, this thing's starting to get more modified as time goes on, and it's just A, it's, you know, there's a lot more issues when you modify cars, and then B, it's just not really comfortable for like daily driving. So I kind of want to, you know, chill out on it for a little bit. There's still going to be some track days once in a while, but not like every month like I've been trying to do. So yeah, but car's running now. I'm super stoked about that. Took a lot of fucking just deep thinking and engineering and just making stuff work. So now I think ain't much going on today. Maybe we'll go on a little cruise later on, or at least for right now I'll probably fix this window, since my buddy Keaton here, he just walked by, he gave me the plastic piece I need to get my window back on track. So probably do that and then figure something out for tonight. Alright, so the window is fixed as best as it possibly can. So when you roll it up and down, I'll show you guys real quick. We'll go through this test real quick.
E36 lead.
Dude, yeah, it's like that sometimes. So it's on perfectly right now, but you need some finessing. So we go down, you can kind of see the gap right there already. So when you go down, then you go up, and you can see it even more. And then, yep, when it's all the way up, you just push in on it. So it's fixed, it's on the track, it's good. It's just kind of gonna have to, yeah, just it'd be like that sometimes. It at least rolls up now, and I don't have to worry about the fucking rain, dude. You see the trash bag? Wherever
I know, I saw it.
Yeah, I threw it back in my trunk. But yeah, I was using this to like block the rain out of my fucking car. It's this trash bag over it, ghetto as shit. But it is fixed. So yeah, dude, I appreciate your help, man. Fuck. Yeah, car's done. I'm not too sure what we're gonna be doing now. Shit, maybe go on a little drive here in a little bit. Just drive it around. I haven't driven it for like almost 2 weeks now. Definitely gonna do something. I'm gonna clean up and then figure out what I'm gonna do. Whoa! I gotta get an actual, I gotta get an actual harness bar for this. Fuck out of here, dude. There was a spider on me, now he's gone. Alright, so I'm gonna just go on a little drive. I'm gonna probably head to like a car wash or something. The car's been sitting for a minute, so definitely probably needs a bath. Which is what we're gonna do. Oh my god. I miss this fucking car so much. I probably shouldn't be doing that shit in my own fucking driveway or my own neighborhood. What I don't miss is all the weird sounds it makes. God, dude, it feels so good to be in this fucking car again. So stoked. So fucking happy about it. You guys don't understand how happy I am about being back in this car. So, car's running fine. I'm not gonna give it a whole lot of load. Like, I'm just gonna pretty much just baby it right now. And, yeah, I'm literally just gonna go take it to the car wash. I might take it on a little cruise way later tonight, but that won't be till, you know, much later. So far, the car itself is feeling pretty good, aside from all the, like, weird little jitters it does already. But that's just because, you know, it's pretty modified in the suspension components. It's not comfortable to drive on the street. When it's drifting, it feels awesome. Like, just when I actually use this car for what I intended it to be, it feels good. But yeah, it's not fun on the street. I don't know if you guys can hear the whine at all. Like, if you guys hear the whine that happens with the car, it really sounds like it has a supercharger, but it doesn't. I know it doesn't. It's a transmission, I think. I don't know. It just whines. It's weird. So the next time this light turns green, I'm gonna kind of maybe hang back just a little bit. I want to do like a little second gear pull onto the freeway, depending on how fast this stupid car in front of me goes. We'll see. Nobody ever gets up to speed on the off-ramps. Everybody likes to try and get on the highway at like 35, 45 miles an hour, and it's like, dude, what are you doing? It's not the purpose of an off-ramp or on-ramp, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. Unbalanced wheels. Yeah, I'm still using the same wheels, or same tires from the last drift event at Park, so, and they weren't balanced. This car's not fast at all, but you know what? It feels like it. Alright. Time for a little washy wash. Click, 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 click. It just clicks a lot. I don't know if you guys can hear the clicking on camera. I really don't know what that is. I think it has something to do with my drive shaft and the transmission. That's what Keaton, who he was over earlier, you guys saw him in the video, was talking about. I think that's it. I'm not 100%, but if you guys have any idea, let me know. Just let me know, like, yeah, that's your transmission. Anyways, I'm here at the car wash. I'm gonna just wash my car real quick and then head back home. Car drives great. So right here, I think I'm gonna end this video. I will see you guys all in the next video. I have some personal stuff coming up, some vlogs, stuff like that. I don't have any real shoots planned. I have some music videos, but this is an automotive channel. So if you guys want to see more of like other work that I do, just let me know in the comments. I'll start posting everything for you guys. I have no problem with that. So this guy in this E90 was like checking out my car, and he's like, not bad, not bad. So I'll see you guys all then. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a good week. I'm really happy the car's running again. Anyways, bye. Shit.